Hello students, I hope you are all fine and in good health. I will discuss some of the few questions rather, related with notice writing. And as you know, notice writing is related with short compositions. And you know by this time that the word limit is 50 and the marks is 3. So I have given the heading notice writing solved questions. Another important thing, after writing a notice you can draw a box. In these examples I haven't drawn a box, but you can. After you complete writing the entire notice you can draw a box. Now let me come to the very first question. The format is important. So dear students, please kindly check the format very carefully. See, it is written, you are the secretary of the English Literary Association of Tagore Memorial School, Patna. Write out a notice for school notice board inviting names of those who would like to participate in the proposed inter-house debate, oratorical and elocution contest. So the participants who will participate in the inter-house debate, oratorical and elocution or recitation contest. So you are inviting names of the students who will participate for that. So how will you start? At the center, at first you write English Literary Association. Then in the next line you write the name of the school in block letters or in bold letters. See, I have written Tagore Memorial School, Patna. Then you mention a date and a year. See, I have already mentioned that one, 5th August, then a year. Then after all these things you come a bit down. Then you write notice again, all in bold letters. Next line you write the title or the heading. Remember, it is very very important. Even in my instruction also I told you regarding title and notice. These two words are very very important. See, inter-house competitions. Now you will come to the main body of the notice. So how will you start? The English Literary Association invites participants in the following contest to be held in the school auditorium. And debate competition, you specify time, and obviously 20 August, then obviously a year you will specify. Similarly, oratorical skills, the next day 21st August, time you will specify, that is up to you. Then elocution contest, the same date it will be, but it will be at a different time. See, it is written 2 p.m. So dear students, these things you have to improvise on your own. I have just given an example so that you can get an idea of what I am trying to say. Now it is about to end, so you have to end it within 50 words, so you can't write a lot on this. So each house can send a team of 2 students per team or per item. Per item means per category. So each house can send a team of 2 students per item. Last date for submission of names 10th August, then you can specify a year. Then finally a bit down you write Ravi Mohan, Secretary ELA. Actually ELA is the short form of English Literary Association. Now that was the first question. I guess it is clear to everyone. I am moving on to the second one now. You are Rahul or Rashmi. As president of the literary club of your school, you have organized an inter-school debate competition on the occasion of the Silver Jubilee celebrations of your school. Write a notice in about 50 words informing the students of your school about the competition. So how will you proceed? Inter-school debate competition on the occasion of the Silver Jubilee celebration of your school. So how will you move ahead with your answer? Just like the previous one, here also in the center you write literary club. Then in the next line you write St. Thomas Public School, Lucknow. And then again see the process, 5th December, then you can specify a year like this that I have done. Then you write notice. Then you come to the main body. The literary club is organizing an inter-school debate competition. If you wish, you can start it in this way, or if you wish, after notice, you can write inter-school debate competition all in caps, or directly you can start as I have started here. I have started directly without giving another title. The literary club is organizing an inter-school debate competition on the occasion of the Silver Jubilee celebration as per details given below. And see the details. Date you will specify, time also you will specify, venue Saraswati Auditorium. Now all these improvisations you have to do on your own, dear students. Now topic, remember, if it is some question if you get regarding inter-school debate contest or competition, always select a topic that is very much related with current affairs. See, I have selected a topic. Nuclear armament is India's best defense against cross-border terrorism. So this type of topic, current affairs topic, you can select. And finally, after writing it, it should be within quotation. You can underline the topic if you wish. Last date for receipt of names 10 December up to 4:30 p.m. in the activities room. And finally, after writing all this, you will write your name. You can write either Rahul or Rashmi, that will be given in the question only. From there you can write it down. Then president, that is your post or designation, right? So that was another question that I discussed. Now let me move with another one, question number 3. The question is, you are Ravi or Rachna. As president of the cultural forum of your school, you have organized an inter-school orchestra competition on the occasion of the Silver Jubilee celebrations of your school. Write a notice in about 50 words informing the students of your school about this competition. So the occasion is Silver Jubilee celebration and inter-school orchestra competition. See here, you notice that instead of starting directly, I have given a heading, inter-school orchestra competition. You can give a heading, or if you wish, after notice, from the next line, you can start directly with the main topic. Remember, if you start directly with the main topic, then you have to highlight that main topic in the very first line, just like I did in the previous case. Here, I have written the topic. And see, at the very beginning, by this time you know, you have to write cultural forum first. Then the name of the school, I have given Rash Bihari Model School, Mathura. Then see where the date has to be given. These are the process, these are the techniques. You have to remember all this. Then a bit down, you have to write notice. Then obviously title I have given here, inter-school orchestra competition. If you wish, you can start directly instead of giving a title here. If you give a title, no problem. If you don't give, then you have to start directly with the main title when you will start writing it. That way also you can do. Since I have already given the title here, then I can skip this part while I write the body. Remember all this. So on the occasion of the Silver Jubilee celebrations, an inter-school orchestra competition will be held. So now I can write in shortcut because already I mentioned it at the top. And now date, time and venue. Remember, it should be to the point. No unnecessary words to be written. I already specified in the instructions that I have given. So date 14th November, time 2 p.m. onwards, venue Vikram Auditorium. So these things you have to improvise on your own. Participants, maximum 9 in an item, or 9 in a category, or 9 in a team, you can say. Last date for submission, so entry forms, it is 10th November. And you can specify a year. Then you can come downwards, you can write Rachna or Ravi, that you will find in the question. Next line, president. Next line, cultural forum. So that is your post or designation, president, then cultural forum you have to mention. If you wish, you can write president only. If you wish, you can omit this cultural forum. If you wish, you can write. Otherwise, if you simply write president, it will do. And remember, I haven't drawn a box. You can draw a box. Starting with your answer, from your answer till the very end, you can draw a box. That will make it more precise and more compact. That you can do. That I already told you at the beginning of my audio lecture today. Now, I am moving on to another question. Number 4. You are Pradeep or Asha, as president of the dramatic club of your school. You have organized an inter-school competition in one-act plays on the occasion of the Silver Jubilee celebrations of your school. Write a notice in about 50 words informing the students of your school about this proposed event. So again, the occasion is Silver Jubilee celebration of your school, and you are about to enact an one-act play. So regarding that, because you are the secretary of the dramatic club of your school, so you are about to organize an one-act play. So related to that, you have to write a notice. So how will you start? Dramatic club, you write in the same way. Then the name of the school you can give, like I have given here, Sindhya School Indore. Then you can mention the date and the year that I have already given here, 16th August. You can specify a year, or you can write in this way, 20XX. In many reference books you will find that in CBSE solved questions you will find it is written in this way. Then you can write notice. If you wish, you can write organization of inter-school competition in one-act plays as a title you can write. If not, directly you can start. If you start directly, then you have to highlight in the body what you are about to express, because you haven't written a title. In this way also you can do. So see how I have started with the body. On the occasion of Silver Jubilee celebration of the school, the dramatic club has organized an inter-school competition in one-act plays as per the details given below. And what are the details? Date, it is mentioned 30th August. Time also mentioned, you can improvise it. You can change it here and there. Venue, Ashoka Auditorium. These things are related with improvisation. Dear students, you have to create all these things on your own. Date, time, venue, the place where the audition, the one-act plays, it will be held, and all those things. These things you have to improvise on your own. And participants, maximum 7 in a team. That is also you have to mention. And last date for the receipt of entry forms, 25th August. Then obviously here definitely you will mention it, or you can write in this way, 20XX. In this way also you can write by 4 p.m. So you will mention everything, detail, venue, date, and how many members will participate per team or in a category. That everything you have to mention, but you have to be very, very specific, and you have to be to the point, because remember I told you that word limit must be checked. If extra word is included, you have to face the penalty then. So you have to check the word limit very, very cautiously, dear students. And finally, you write either Pradeep or Asha. Next line president. Next line it will be dramatic club. So in this way, you have to write this notice. Okay, dear students. So 4 questions I discussed. Please listen to this audio lecture presentation. And if there is any doubt anywhere, any confusion, let me know. Once more I am saying you have to write to the point. And see, dear students, I haven't drawn a box. If you wish, from the answer part till the very end of your solution, you can definitely draw a box. Okay, I haven't in these solutions, but yes, you can draw a box. And compact and precise you have to write. And please check your word limit. Time, date, venue, all these things are to be mentioned. You have to be very specific regarding all this. So that is it, dear students. I genuinely hope and I do believe we will listen to this audio presentation. That is it, dear students. Stay safe. Thank you, everyone.